In other words, this series has a lot of moves, that's why I'm moving a little quicker, okay? When you're here, now, he postures, but he's a jiu-jitsu guy. So, right away, he sees me bringing my leg back and he steps back out. So you're going to keep this grip, and I want you to focus on his hand touching the mat. Snapping forward, okay? I want you to drop with your knee in, keep control of the hand, and hook the arm. Okay? Now from here, you're going to roll. Open it back. This arm comes here. And finish your choke. Okay, so you're here. Here, I have the Russian, he postures up. I get my bow tie, boat steps out. Good. Straight down. Knee in, pin the hand to the mat until you hook it. Okay? You hook it, as soon as you hook it, you're going to roll. Here. This hand. Round, deep, deep. Finish your choke. Got it? Let's go.